Hey beauties, it's me Evie and I'm back with a review of the BoxyCharm with Ipsy box. I love this packaging. It's so pretty. It's like unicornish colors. Inside we have our products. So our BoxyCharm box with Ipsy has 5 full-size items. Members can choose 3 products. It's up to a $200 value, and it's $28 a month. I have said it time and time again. We people that do not always have the money for high-end items, this is a perfect situation. Not only do you get one high-end item that is double what this costs for a month, you get 5. And it couldn't be any better. You get to try high-end products. You get them monthly. It's $28 a month. I love this box. It has given me the opportunity to use so many products that I would have never been able to in the first place. So I am super happy to always just promote that fact, that it is a way to bring high-end to those that can't really afford it. So let's just jump in our box and see what we have this month. Okay, I'm going to start off with Cedar London, and we have this product. It is Brazilian Glow eyeshadow palette. It's a 24-piece eyeshadow palette. We love Cedar London, and one of the main reasons we love Cedar is the packaging is always so pretty. And of course, you know that I love the bow. Where is it? It was on the packaging. I always love the bow. And I just think the products are usually really amazing. This is no less amazing than, look at these rose gold colors, and I think there's some purples and some golds. This is just Evie in a palette, let's just say. I'm curious to see this one. It's like a purple and gold mix. Can you see the prettiness of that? Let me see if I rub it out. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. So yeah, we have some glitters, obviously. And then we have some solids. And this can go from a cash look to a night on the town for sure. But they're saying these are Brazilian colors, and I am loving it. The next product we have is from Earth Harbor, and it is Marina. So this is a ritual for a hyper-concentrated treatment. Apply 2 or more drops to your skin after cleansing and toning as needed. Massage in until absorbed for a daily skincare cocktail. Add 2 or more drops to any Earth Harbor serum or moisturizing morning and night. So this is mainly, this is a brightening product. So you would want to cleanse your face, tone it, and then put this on. And then you can, of course, put your moisturizer over it. But this is definitely for, a little brightening to your skin, a little glow up, as we should say. Earth Harbor has always made the prettiest products, like in the glass bottles. Also, I love their products. I like to use them. So I'm really happy about that. So we're going to guess at this and say Milan and Gits. It is a vitamin E face moisturizer. And I guess they just, went for the simple look. So we have this. It's a lightweight moisturizer, synthesizes natural vitamin E, chamomile, and absorbent fatty acids, gentle and effective, hydrates, balances, and calms all skin type. Well, my skin definitely needs to be calmed, and I think that is amazing that they just totally went for a no thrills bottle. I like it a lot. The next product is from Wing Me, and it is a clear brow gel. Keep your brows in place with the Wing Me clear brow gel. The brush on matte formula strokes eyebrows into shape and tames hair for natural looking definition that lasts all day. Use alone or as a topper to set your brow makeup. And here's the packaging. And here is the product. So I have been somebody that has always got major compliments on their brows. But lately I have been doing the all natural brow, and I'm realizing on camera it looks like my brow stops there. I need to get back on my brow game, so maybe this will help me bring it all together. But I had been just using a clear setting gel on my brows, but seriously, I think I need to add a tail to it. They're there, it's just you can't see it. So I'll be happy to use this and bringing back my brow game. So the last thing we have is from the Beauty Crop. It is a lipped cream liner and a hydrating liquid lipstick. So this is supposed to be a long-lasting liner, and it is saying that the lipstick. It's saying that the liquid lipstick is enriched with shea butter and jojoba oil. The formula cushions and protects lips while delivering a long-lasting semi-matte finish. Lipped cream liner is a must-have for defining, sculpting, and filling in your lips, and is designed to work perfectly with our lipped cream liquid lipstick, making delicious sweet pear. Well, I'm never upset about a lip liner moment, but I have to be honest. I have about 5 lip liners of this shade, which is lighter and darker, just slightly, but they're all basically that. And I wear red lipstick, so there's a problem, right? Yep, it's gonna be perfect for the rose gold moments and the bronze moments. There you go. Remember, you get 5 full-size items. The box is retailed up to like $200, and you only pay $28 a month for the 5 full-size items. So go sign up, use my code in the description, and I will see you next time. This is July's box, and I couldn't be happier. So I hope that you are getting ready for a wonderful vacation, or you're just gonna pamper yourself here at home. Either way, you have some products that will be great for the occasion. So I will see you next time, and it'll be my birthday month. So hang in there. Remember to be your own beautiful. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember, you are loved.